How to get a free domain. This video is a step-by-step guide here. So getting a free domain is still possible. Yeah, the chances has reduced, but it's still possible, but it often comes with a certain limitations or requirements. Free domains are typically offered by hosting providers, domain registers, or through promotions. Now let's get started. So first of all, most free domains are subdomain. Now what I mean by subdomain, let me just give you one example. For example, you can see this is my Wix website, and when I just go and try to publish without any subscription taken or without I have any purchase any domain or something like that. So when I just go and publish here, you can see this is the subdomain, right? And this is just completely free. So I can just edit it. For example, I will just write here filex, right? Now here let's me just copy this up, right, and I will just go and click on save and continue. And when I just go and try to publish this website, right, and here you can see view site, so I can just go and check this site here. And if I just go and click on publish, I have to copy this exact URL and paste it. So let me show you here on the edit side. Now as you can see here, this is my website, and if I just take you through this, let me show you. So this is the exact URL which I'm talking about. This is a subdomain, so you can use this. And there are several several websites which provide you, for example, WordPress, Wix, Shopify, Blogger, and some registers offer free domain for the first year when you purchase, for example, hosting or the service. So hostingers provide this, so you can just go and get it from there. Now here are some of the free website where you can just get your free domain, but you will not get .com or .in. These are the free domains which you can use here, .tk, .ml, or something like that, right? And you can also go and use a Namecheap, right? Here you can just get a domain at a really cheap rate. You can click on the link which is in the description. You can get some offers as well as some more discounts here, right? And as you can see here, if I just go to the domain, I can get it for $9 for the year, right? So I have to pay $10 for the whole year. So the hosting, and same goes for WordPress. You can see here $0, right? And there's a very interesting way, and there are several methods from where you can just get our domains free, which I'm going to show you in the video, and I've already shown some of this option. So first of all, choose this right platform. So use free subdomain. So here you can see I chose wix.com. Get a free domain with a hosting, so example Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap, Dreamhost, and you can get up to 70% off if you just go and buy from the link which is below in the description. This is our affiliate link, and you can use free domain registers, for example, which I shown you, like .tkl, sorry, dk, .ml, .ga, .cfa, right? Participating in the contest and giveaway. So this is also one of the method from where you can just get it, but the chances are really low. Now the best way, that is go and get a free domain from the WordPress, Wix, or Blogger, right? So here I've shown you the method. You have to go to this website. For example, let's say if I just want to get it from the bloggers, I will just go and click on blogger.com, right? This is much more simpler way to get it. For example, create a blog. This is a product of Google, right? So I just need my Google ID to register it. So as you can see here, it will just take a very few seconds. Now here, choose a name of your blog. So I will just write here filex, right? And just go and click on next. As you can see here, this will be my domain, filexblogspot.com, right? So this blog address is all already taken. So I'll just write here filex express. I don't think this has been taken, so I'll just go and click on next, right? And then I will just go and click on finish. So it will just take a few seconds. So display name, okay, it got an error. Now this time it can get fixed. Okay, so now it got updated. Now I can just post and everything, right? So let me just view this up. Now this is the blog. Now if I just go and click on view blogs, it will take me directly to the subdomain which I just purchased, not purchased, I just made it for completely for free. As you can see here, this is filexexpress.blogspot.com. So blogspot comes in, and when you just buy a proper domain, you can just remove this blogspot. And this is a way to do it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.